Hello, people. This is your Empress, John Davis, and I'm here today to make a decree which falls under the statute and recognized as eminent domain. Now, what this law or statute requires is that when there is a good, be it land, housing, effort, or whatever context it might fall in, when that good benefits most of the people that live in this world, it says that that government has authority to exercise power over whatever this something might be, whether it's land, whether a highway being built, or what have you. But whenever the goods necessary or under question or in question benefit the masses or the people who populate this world, their needs is benefited greater by this move to possess something than the individual, then this law of eminent domain is activated. So how is this relevant to what I have to talk about today? Here's how it's relevant. I'm an empress. I've been living a normal life just like all of you. I've been paying my bills as they become due, and I've had excellent credit rating, up 800 plus. But I was snatched out of my normal living to go do field work, moved out of the state that I was living in, Illinois, to Arkansas, so that I could do field work for this world, which means helping to bring balance to some of the situations and things that have gotten out of line here, like crime and some everything else that's not functioning well for most of the people. And so I'm calling for a moratorium, that means a stop, on the creditors that I owe, to stop their attempts to collect on those debts that I owe, because I have given up my livelihood to come out and work for the citizens of this world. And so those who are functioning in the position as an emperor, an empress, or chief justice, this decree is made in order for them to be able to function effectively, to do their field work for the citizens of this earth, for the citizens of this world. And these duties cannot be carried out effectively as long as they are getting calls from these creditors seeking pay. Eminent domain statute comes into effect when it's realized that the work that these individuals are doing is for the greater number of people rather than one individual creditor seeking to recoup what is owed him. And the creditor will be considered for that payment when the field work comes to an end and the emperor, empress, and chief justice are returned to normal life where they can continue to assume their payments for their duties. And then in that sense, they will be able to answer all their creditors. But as of now, this field work is demanding. It takes up every day of their time. And the good that they are doing benefits the people of this world, some 8 billion people, as opposed to one creditor harassing each day with phone calls, seeking individual payment for their needs. So this moratorium, this decree, is to put a stranglehold on this creditor to stop them from calling, because these calls have become harassment since several of them are made each day seeking payment. But in this sense, the work that's being done for these 8 billion people in the world outweigh any needs that an individual creditor has for his needs. This is why the statute of eminent domain is here activated. And it is understood that these creditors who fail to not regard this law, a fine will be set for them and they will pay. Thank you.